We are in Estonia, in Tallinn, present to guys our platform B-24. Here you see how the drone can be used in different tactic situations. We show how to drop the ammunition. Also, we're showing how to drop the payload like FPV or other sorts of drones, flying on optic fiber drones, and use our ground station to control classic FPV. Thank you, Estonian guy, for such a nice visit. We love your country. We understand that Estonia is the Nordic stone of Europe, and Ukrainians, as our company, as all Ukrainians, really want to share experience how to make your country more stronger and how to fight with your enemy with more efficient.